So I won't suggest you to come to IT. Instead, keep trying for that exam and get the license.
Sir, I was a physiotherapist back in India. So now I'm doing the physiotherapist assistant job in Canada. I have an experience of 5 years in a hospital and in the clinics in India. And now here, it's almost 1.5 year I came to Canada. So if I want to proceed with the IT field, is that okay for me to proceed it, or what do you suggest?
But didn't you write any licensing exam here?
For physio? No, not yet.
I would suggest go for physiotherapy only, because there are limited number of
Okay.
people they take every year. But then if you
Mm-hmm.
become a physiotherapist here, you will get between 100 and 150K. So going for IT is okay. Anyone can come to an IT field. But then ideally, if you have done physiotherapy, generally I would have suggested the data analyst, because there are a lot of healthcare data analyst requirements in Canadian market. But of late, data analyst has become highly crowded space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the salaries have also drastically come down from 75K to something like 50K. So not really worth. But if you decide not to go for license at all, then yes, you can start your career with data analyst and enter into the IT market as a data analyst even with lesser pay, and gain 1 to 2 years of experience. And then when once you get the job and gain 2 years of experience, then you can go into any IT role with a better pay.